Hello everyone, I'm Maria. This is day 20 of my 30-day public speaking challenge. So today I'm gonna talk about cooking. I started living alone when I was a university student in Japan. So it's already my 5th year of cooking for myself. I really love it. So since coming to the UK, I've been cooking almost every day. Honestly, I prefer to eat the Japanese food I cook rather than the food from restaurants or shops. Yeah. So I often make dishes like teriyaki chicken and ginger pork. Yeah. Then there are many Asian supermarkets in the UK, so it's even easier to get ingredients from other Asian countries than it was in Japan. So I've tried cooking things like pad thai and maratang. Sometimes my friends share food from their countries with me, which inspires me to try new flavors. Yeah, teriyaki chicken is especially popular among my friends. Yeah. So yeah, cooking makes me feel at home. So I wanna keep enjoying it and improving my skills even more in the future. Yeah. So that's all for today. See you tomorrow. Bye.